The next exercise that we're going to learn is called the elevator. And this is where we begin to initiate contraction of our abdominals and our deep abdominal muscles. This exercise is really important because it helps teach the coordinated working together of all the muscles in the abdominal region and all the muscles that help stabilize our trunk. So you're going to start in this, again, this hook lying position with the knees bent up and the feet flat on your back. And if you need the towel support behind your head, go ahead and do that. This exercise is initiated by taking your hands and placing them just on the inside of your pelvis and below your belly button, and you're going to push in to your stomach. And without using your breath, you're going to try to push your fingers up like your stomach is an elevator and your fingers are the people. And you're just going to push the people up like you're pushing them to the top story of a 10-story building. You're going to hold it for a second or two, and then you're going to relax. And how you know you're doing this exercise correctly is a couple of things are going to happen. One is your back is not going to come off of the table. And the second way you know you're doing it correctly is if as you push, you'll notice that the ribs are dropping down towards the pelvis. Very good. And one more time. Excellent. And relax.